Hi, I'm Steve Dudash, IHT Wealth Management. Welcome to this week's Wealthcast. All right, I want to talk about, I got this question several times this week. I don't think everyone understands what a tariff is, and I don't think everyone fully gets what this tariff war means. So I just want to break it down without any political spin, but just want to break it down with some pure math, and then what you should be looking for your own sake. One, when we say we're putting tariffs on Chinese imports, that doesn't mean the Chinese government's paying us more money to bring those products here. Again, everything I'm telling you here, if you're on different sides of the coin on this, you can spin it different ways. I'm just trying to give you the middle of the road math version of this. China does not pay more money when we put a 25% tariff fee on things. Who pays that is almost always, in the short term, the consumer. You, me, people who are buying the stuff. US companies who are buying the stuff to put together for you to then buy. It flows down to us. And so when you really break it down, it's a tax, okay? It's in the short term. Long term, you can make arguments, different things. But in short term, we are paying more money for the same product. The extra, that 25% juice that they're putting on things now, that goes to the US government. That doesn't go anywhere else. The government takes that money. And now what they're doing, which I think is great, they're taking that money, the extra money that we're paying, the tax that we're paying on those products, and then giving it to the, in this case, farmers, who are having their products hit with tariffs on the other side. So China is hitting the tariffs on the farmer's product, like soybeans and stuff, which means it's more expensive for it to be sold over there. So our government is then subsidizing the farmers, bringing their costs down, essentially, by using the money that they're taxing on Chinese products coming in. So we're taxing and then subsidizing, and then they're taxing and then subsidizing. And both sides are doing the same thing. And none of us who are watching this video benefit from this at all. Now, I get why they're doing it. They're doing it so that way they can negotiate and try to put some harder lines in the sand and maybe steer people away from Chinese products more long term too. I get that, and there's some truth to all that. But in the short term, you see tariff, that means you, me, are paying more taxes. That means those products that are doing it are going to get hurt by it because less people are going to buy it, because it's going to cost more money. So when you're looking at your portfolio, you're looking at things, that's why you're seeing some of these companies, certainly international companies, getting hit pretty hard, and some of the US ones getting hit pretty hard because their products going overseas the other way are going to cost more, which means less people are going to buy it. All that being said, where this should be interesting for me and you, is this is all fake. This is all grandstanding. This is all just a whole bunch of show. At the end of the day, all these tariffs are going to go away. It's just two sides trying to act like tough guys to each other, and eventually they'll negotiate all the way. So if you're seeing a company or a stock or something whose price is getting hurt really bad because of tariffs or the threat of tariffs, and all of a sudden that stock price is going down, well, as soon as that game goes away, that show goes away, you're going to see that stock bounce back up. So if you're looking for opportunities, if you're looking for ways of taking advantage of a complete overreaction, that's it. So, one, tariffs aren't really us charging the other government more money. It's a tax for me and you. And two, if you see a company whose stock's getting beat up because of the threat of tariffs, it's going to go away once the show goes away. So, hope this helps. Call me, email me if you want to talk more specifics about your portfolio, or if you have any questions, call, email, text. Don't text. Call, email, Twitter, anytime. Have a nice weekend. Bye.